it's Connie from Thoughts and Treasures, and today I have a quick and easy Halloween project for you. We picked these little pumpkins up at the Dollar Tree, and I also picked these candlesticks up at the Dollar Tree. I actually had them on hand, but the Dollar Tree does carry them. And some tea lights. So you want to give the glass a little bit of a scratchiness to it so that the paint can adhere to it. I did start with the sanding block and then realized, that's not going to work. So I went and got my gator and used that to get in all around the little edges, up top, around the corners, on the bottoms. And then we went in with our black and put the black paint on. I did only use one coat. You can use as many coats as you want so that you get the look that you like. I stuck with the one coat. It kind of gave it a little bit of see-through to it, and I liked that. I thought it was more Halloween-y. Is that a word? It is now. So I did both candlesticks the same way, and no matter what you do on glass, it kind of, if you scratch it long enough, it's going to come off. So we're going to seal this with Mod Podge. I do keep my Mod Podge in these condiment bottles. Works easier, but for projects like that, it is a little more complicated to get it out, but it worked. It was fine. So I ended up putting Mod Podge on both of these and letting them dry completely. Make sure you let them dry completely. This is the important part. And if you use the heat tool to do it, it does take a while, so just be patient. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to glue these little pumpkin heads on top of these candlesticks. And I did use the E6000 and a little bit of hot glue. And then just place the pumpkin on top of the candlestick. I mean, simple. This is a simple Halloween craft project that is adorable. So we're going to do the same thing to the other one. A little hot glue. You just want to make sure you get it on there centered and straight. And you can look down inside of it and see where you're putting it. It works easier. And then we are going to, of course, add the tea lights. We got to put the tea lights in there. Turn them on, and look how cute this is. If you guys are inspired by this, please give my page a follow. We have all kinds of craft ideas on there. And remember, a like, a follow, and share always helps our page grow. So please, come join. I hope this inspired you.